Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. So the other day, I decided to get an M1 Mac, and you know the thing with MacBooks, right? They only have the USB-C port, and I have a couple of USB accessories that I need to connect. And so the only choice that I had was I had to get an adapter. Now, I looked for a couple of adapters online. I searched for some adapters on Amazon. Even Amazon Basics had an adapter, and that seems pretty economic actually. You get more than a couple of ports the uh, for the adapter. I mean, one USB-C, and you can connect 3 to 4 USB devices to it. So that is pretty good. Um, but I didn't want to put in any other company accessory to this because one of my cousins, he used a different charger for his iPhone, and the charging port got damaged after a couple of months or something on those lines. So I decided I'll just get the Apple adapter. So it came using, I mean, I booked it the previous night. I think I booked it around 6 o'clock in the night, and by 12 o'clock in the morning, the package was there. And it came via Blue Dart, and as you can see, I mean, as you just saw, it said priority delivery is some express delivery sort of thing. I was really impressed with the timeline, and the packaging was amazing. I mean, there is no way this could have been damaged. It's been sealed very well inside the box, and the actual box, as you can see, is actually much smaller. So here we have it, the USB-C to a normal USB adapter. And this obviously you can use for connecting microphones, connecting cameras, connecting your phones, things like that. So it costed 1900 rupees, and I have to say it is very expensive, but I just didn't want to, yeah. And I got this on the Apple India website. So thanks for watching. Have a lovely day ahead. Peace.